This is a 2018 Toyota Camry SE, and today we will be installing the LEXUS style tail lights with chrome trim. For proper installation, we recommend removing the rear bumper. Link to a video on how to remove the rear bumper can be found in the description below. This is the wiring setup which comes with the kit. Here are the lights, and let's demonstrate how to connect them. First of all, whoever is planning on removing this chrome trim, be aware if you remove it, you will see a channel underneath it or a slot underneath it where the trim is placed. Some may like it and some may don't. If you don't like the chrome trim, either plasti dip it or wrap it. Now here comes the fun part on how to connect the wires and install the lights. Let's take a quick look at the back side of the light. This is the socket which connects to the main connector of the car. If you don't know where this socket goes, please check out our previous video, link in the description below. After the main socket, connect these two wires together and make sure the color-coded wires are aligned with each other, black to black and yellow to yellow. Now this wire with the small connector connects with this wire supplied with the kit. The other end connects with the smaller light which goes on a trunk. Carefully connect it and make sure you don't ruin the small pins inside the connectors. Okay, first step of the connection is done. Next is to connect the small light to work properly. As you can see, we have 4 wires: white, blue, black, and red. On the other side, we have sort of different colors: yellow, black, red, and white. In the previous Nike style video, we had a green wire here on this socket and a green wire here on this one. You connect both of them with a separate wire and you are good to go. But here it's a little different, as you saw already. Okay, so here the wiring setup is a little different and a bit confusing. In order to make the reverse light work, you connect this white wire only. The black wire is not needed. You can either cut it or tie it. So you connect the white wire to the blue wire only. Like I said, the black wire is not needed. And this side goes into the reverse bulb socket after removing the bulb. Now I would like to give a big shout out to Mustashar Syed, owner of Gen 8 Camry Motorsports Ideas and Design. Without his help, it would have taken us a long time to figure these wires out. Blue is taken and connected to the white wire for the reverse light. Make sure you connect the white wire to blue. Now we have white, red, and black wires left. The manufacturer didn't provide us the extra wire, so we have to buy that separately. Now we have to connect these wires via separate wire to the other end. Now when you splice the wires on both sides, make sure to connect white to white, red to red, and black to black. The yellow wire is for the sequential turn signal, so no need to touch that. Make sure the wire is at least this wire size so you can hide it. This is how the installation process works. Now let's see how they look installed.